I am gonna be straight with you. I spent months posting content, growing followers, feeling like I was doing everything right. And I made almost no money. Not because my content was bad, not because I was not working hard enough, but because I was missing the actual structure that turns viewers into buyers. So, I am gonna walk you through exactly what I changed. And if you're tired of posting into the void with nothing show for it, this is for you. Here's the thing nobody tells you. You can have 100,000 followers and still make peanuts. And you can have 500 followers and make a full time income. The difference is not the size of your audience, it's the relevance. So, before you make another post, ask yourself one question: what problem am I actually solving? Not I help people make money. That's too vague. Think I help you moms build a side income from home in under 10 hours a week. See the difference? When you get that specific, everything changes. Your content becomes easier to create because you know exactly who you're talking to. Your audience feels seen because you're speaking directly to them. And when you eventually launch as something, they actually want to buy it because you have been solving their problems for weeks or months. So, step one is not content strategy or platform choice for. So, step one is not content strategy or platform choice or anything fancy. Step one is clarity. One person, one problem, one outcome. Everything else close from date. Now let's talk about something most creators get completely backwards. They spend months creating one perfect product. They obsess over the design, the price, the sales page, and then to launch it to crickets. Here's note I learned the hard way. Your first product does not need to be perfect, it needs to exist and it needs to be part of a system because not everyone who follows you is ready to buy the same thing. Some people just discovered you yesterday, they don't know you yet. Some have been following for months, they trust you. You need a way to serve all of them. So here's the structure that actually works. Start with something free. A guide, a checklist, a training video. Nothing fancy, just something that delivers real value. This does two things. You build trust and it gets people on your email list because here's the truth. Social media is rented land. One algorithm change and your reach disappears. But your email list, that's yours forever. Next, create a low ticket product under 50 bucks. This is for people who liked your free stuff and want more but aren't ready to invest big. Then a mid-tier product, a course or program that delivers the complete solution. And finally, a high ticket option, mentorship, coaching, done with you support. This is for people who don't just want information, they want accountability and guidance. Each tier fits into the next, and the beauty is you don't need all of them on day one. Start with the freebie and low ticket. Build the rest as you learn what your audience actually needs. Now let's talk about platforms because this is where people waste the most energy. I see creators burning out trying to be everywhere. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Threads, Pinterest, LinkedIn, posting the same thing to all of them. Then quitting after 3 weeks because it's exhausting. Here's a better way. Pick two platforms max. Three if you're insane. And choose based on what you actually enjoy. Because if you hate making videos, you're not gonna stick with YouTube. If you hate writing, threads will feel like a chore. Pick the format that doesn't drain you. For me, that meant leaning into platforms where I could write and teach without over complicating things. But you do you. The important thing is consistency, not posting 10 times in one day and then disappearing for a week. Post every day or 5 times a week or 3 times a week, whatever you can actually maintain, because consistency beats the intensity every single time. And here's what to post. You don't need to be reinvent the wheel. Just cycle through 5 types of content, teaching something useful, sharing a mistake or lesson you learned, giving people hope or motivation, showing behind the scenes of your process, and occasionally inviting them to take the next step. That's it. That's the loop. It builds just keeps people interested and naturally leads to sales without feeling salty. Now, here's something I wish someone had told me earlier. Your social media followers don't actually belong to you. I know that sounds harsh, but think about it. If Instagram goes down, can you reach your followers? No. If the algorithm changes and your post stop getting seen, what then? That's why email is non-negotiable. And I don't mean buying a list or sending spam. I mean building a real relationship with people who actually want to hear from you. Here's what I do: send 2 or 3 emails a week. One teaches something valuable. One shares a story or lesson. One introduces an offer. But here's the key: I don't pitch in every email. I focus on being helpful first. That when I do mention something I am selling, it feels like a natural extension of the value I have already been providing. And guess what? That's when people actually buy, not because I pressured them, but because they already knew contract and frustrate me. Now let's talk about something most people avoid: reinvesting, not into fancy cameras or expensive software, into things that actually move the needle. First thing I reinvested in was a customer experience, because when people have a good experience, they tell others, and word of mouth is free. The second theme was systems, automation, scheduling, organization. So I was not spending hours on things that could be done faster. The third was education. Mentors, courses, people who'd already figured out why I was trying to learn. And eventually, when revenue allowed, I brought in help: a virtual assistant, an editor, someone to handle the stuff that was not the best house of my time. This is how you go from solo creator to legitimate business owner. Alright, let me bring you all together. Start with clarity. Know your person, their problem, and the outcome they want. Build a funnel that serves them at every stage. Choose one or two platforms you can sustain. Post with purpose, not just random thoughts. Grow your email list from day one. Reinvest into systems, experience, and skill. And above all, show up consistently. Not perfect, not viral, just consistently. That's the framework. It's not complicated. It just requires discipline. One more thing. If you take nothing else from this, take this. Action beats information every time. You can watch 100 videos, read a dozen books, save 1,000 posts. But until you actually do something, nothing changes. So pick one thing from this video, just one. Implement it this week, not next month, this week. That's how you build momentum. That's how you actually make progress. Thanks for sticking with me. I will see you in the next one.